Hey team, welcome back. Today we are reading passage C, The Hairbrush, from the third text in the Simple Comprehension series. Bring my brush, came the command. The girl quickly left the dining room. Her grandma had a very special hairbrush. Made from the bone of a blue whale, it was pearly white with strong, thick bristles. The girl found the brush on top of the dresser in the bedroom and brought it to her grandmother. The sound of slow brushing began. Questions. Who asked for the brush? Describe the hairbrush. Where was the hairbrush? What is happening in sentence 6? Now let's check the answers. Who asked for the brush? Grandma asked for the brush. We know this because a command came in the first sentence. The girl left the dining room after hearing the command and eventually brought the hairbrush to her grandmother. So it was her grandmother who asked for the brush. Describe the hairbrush. The hairbrush was made from the bone of a blue whale. It mentions that here. It was pearly white with strong, thick bristles. Where was the hairbrush? The hairbrush was on top of the dresser in the bedroom. We know that because it says so. The girl found the brush on top of the dresser in the bedroom. What is happening in sentence 6? We hear the sound of slow brushing. And we can guess that that is Grandma brushing her hair with the hairbrush she asked her granddaughter to bring her. Thank you for your time. How did you go?